Okay, so here I start last minute preparation tips and tricks for Neet, UG, and Gujarat of 2021. So, as you can see over here, so this first slide is giving you a suggestion that whenever you are using this, at that time you have to fill up the this circles from outside and start from outside and going inside. Okay, so even this is also very informative. So there are so many students who are fading up their this circle. So please make it like this from outside to inner side and make it over outline first of all and then only start like this. Okay, yeah, so this is the first and very important teaching point, okay, which is in the first slide only. Okay, so let's start for the next. So here the students, how many of you are having the ambitions to achieve high score in Neet and GUJCAT 2021? How many of you are how many of you are having such ambition? Please write down me. Okay. Please write down me. How many of you are having the dreams to get success in Neet and GUJCAT 2021? How many of you are dreaming? How many of you wants to achieve this? Please write down me so that I will get to know, okay, how many of you are really passionate and really feel energetic to attend this. And it's my guarantee that if you will stay up to the end, I will give you one bonus. That is, I am saying only one bonus, but it is not one bonus. It's several bonuses are there. Okay. But you have to stay with me. And it's my guarantee if you follow all my instructions in a way, then you will be definitely score very good marks in GUJCAT as well as in Neet. Okay, so thank you so much for so many students who are giving me a very good response. Okay, so let's go further. So you have to have some vision in your mind and keep going for it. What is mission of my life? So as you are having, I'm asking you to have a target and goal. Let me share my mission of life. My mission is that to help the teenagers. I'm here to help the teenagers. Okay, why? Because when I was a teenage, at that time I have gone through so many emotional up and downs, and later on I got to know that there's hormonal changes are there and lots of the biology is behind that. Okay, so I just decided that in my life, I will definitely help the teenagers. So this is my one of the mission. And the another one is that to fight against the uncured diseases. Because when I was in the 12th standard, I lost my father and he was suffering by cancer. So I make that mission of my life that I want to do something for uncured diseases. And in that, my students are helping me by being a doctor, physiotherapist. They are working dentist and pharmacist. They are lots of them are researchers also. So they are helping to find out the drugs, vaccines of corona, cancer, AIDS, etc. And I want you also to contribute to the society in such a way. So, what is the requirement of the NEET? We already know that the NEET is required to get admission in MBBS, BDS, Ayurvedic, then after Siddha, then Unani medicines, as well as homeopathy. Okay, and uh, I just request all the students to be very conscious and very sincere for this, because it might be happen in this year as the board exams are not taken. So it might be happen that NEET importance may increase or GUJCAT importance may increase than the usual. Okay, so please give your 100% in this. I'm just giving you the mark analysis, that it is not this is what the analysis till the date. Okay, so it is not that they will ask this much questions from this, but this is just only overall analysis. Okay, so unit 1, in that from that 8 to 11 questions are being asked, that is contributing 30 to 44 marks out of 360. Yeah, so here I'm talking about the NEET. In GUJCAT we already know that In Gujket, it is about the 40 marks only. In the Gujket, there is no need to go for a 11th grade. Only you have to go through the 12th grade. Okay. So, but for a Neet in Unit 1, they were asking questions from 32 to 44 marks. Then in Unit 2, 24 to 28. Unit 3, 20 to 24. Unit 4, 13 to 15. That is question numbers. And it will be ranging 52 to 60 marks. And Unit 5, which is a human body. So that is 16 to 17 questions are being asked, which is contributing 64 to 68 marks. So this is for the NEET students only, because they have to prepare for 11th as well as 12th. Okay. Now the next is about the 12th grade. In the 12th grade, the unit number 6, it's 10 to 11 questions are being asked, which is contributing 40 to 44 marks. And unit 7, 11 to 13, 44 to 52 marks. Unit number 8, 7 to 8 questions are being asked, 28 to 32, and 4 to 5 are being asked from the unit 9, 18 to 20 marks. And unit 10, 8 to 9 questions are being asked, which is having 32 to 36 marks. Okay, so this is all over general analysis. Okay, and it's not about that they will follow this pattern, but this is the overall analysis. Okay, now how many of you find out that this was helpful? If it was helpful to you, please write down H for helpful, so that I can share with you that other helpful things also. Okay, so the students are going, and I want a very good energy, huh? So if you are giving me energy, then I can be with such a good motivated energy, so that we can lead this session very positively, very, very, very energetically. Okay, yeah, so please. Okay, so many students found this helpful. Thank you so much for your message and effort. Okay, now for NEET 2021 preparation, as well as for the Gujarat, how you can execute the things. So I'm just sharing with you 4 secrets. Okay, and if you will go through all these 4 secrets, you will definitely get very good success. It's my guarantee. Okay, so what is the first one? The first one is about the preparation of the exams. So how you will do the preparation of exam? But only preparation of exam is not over here. That is giving you a knowledge, but the application of knowledge is much more important. Yeah. So second one is journalism. What do you mean by journalism, sir? It is a part of the arts, and in the arts there is a journalism topic. See, journalism doesn't mean that it is regarding only that literature or only mass media communication. It's nothing like that. Journalism means that whenever you find out that this is a very good thing, then you can note down. So whatever you are noting down in your diary, in your book, personal notes, that is known as a journalism. Okay, and I will show you how to use that. Then what to do during the exam. Okay, and the fourth one is a very important one. During the whole process, you should always maintain never give up attitude. How we can do that, I will share with you. Yeah. Okay. So here we are coming with the step number 1, which is secret number 1, preparation of exam. So, preparation of exam should be done by textbook, by exemplar, by reference books. But what should be done by textbook? What should be done by exemplar? What should be done by the reference book? That is I'm sharing with you. For the textbook is a most IMP. Don't let even a one page which is not having in your mind. So all the pages, all the information, including the summaries, scientific information, tables, diagrams, everything should be in your mind. Okay, so make the textbook first of all word to word. Do it very perfectly, because this is MCQ. In multiple choice question, the accuracy of your knowledge is very important. Okay, so that you have to use this knowledge very nicely, and you have to keep this in your mind for a very long time. Okay, so please give your more than 100% for the textbook. If you cannot do anything beyond the textbook, then also it is reasonable, then also it is okay. But you have to give your 100, more than 100% for the textbook. Okay, so what to do in the textbook? In the textbook, first of all, you should have a revised edition. Okay, because year to year the new additions are coming. Okay, and some particular kind of corrections are there, so you should know that what kind of corrections are there, and what is the new information and how it is updated. Okay, so read carefully revised edition, or discuss with your friends that if they have some different information. Okay, so just have a discussion, and in the debate, in the discussion, just include this points, that what are the newly corrected things. Other thing, read all the in text and exercise question very properly. In text also, there are so many questions are there in the theory. Yeah, if you are agree with me that the theory is also having so many questions in between. Okay, just write down A for agree. So in that, yeah, so there are so many questions are there in text also. So that is just clarifying your fundamentals. So whether you are understanding it or you are not understanding it, it's very crucial to go through all those questions. You have to think over it, and you have to create your answer. Okay, and if you are doubtful about your answers, just check with your teachers and ask them that whether you are perfectly fine in your answers or not. Okay, so thanks for being agree with me. Okay, then so you should go through the in-text and exercise questions. Okay, but don't stick to those questions only. It is not there that they will ask through these questions only. Whenever you are referring any kind of a questions, try to find out what is the psychology of the examiner. Okay, how they are asking the question, why they are asking this question, when they are asking this question. So what is the purpose behind this question. Try to get idea. So you have to understand the psychology of a biology teacher. Okay, then you will be able to score very well. So that in text and exercise questions are there. Okay, so go through it. And in text also there are so many questions, so please answer those questions in your textbook. You write down over there also, so every time whenever you are reading your textbook, you are getting those answers, as well as write down all those questions in your journal or a personalized diary. In that, just include all those, and please write down their answers also. Then also go through the scientist information. So it might be happen that there is no any questions are being asked from this, but it will give you a confidence, as well as it will give you inspiration also. That what the scientists have done and how they have discovered something, and what was their education. So that's the way how you will get to know about the different universities name across the globe. Okay, and you will inspire yourself also, that how the discoveries have taken a place, how the research work have taken a place. So it's a very informative one. Please go through that. Okay, and you will be having a much more respect for those scientists also. Okay, yeah. Then after, please go through all the diagrams. Okay, especially go through the labelings, and please visualize black and white diagrams. So in the CBSE textbook, we are getting in RCRT, in NCRT textbook, we are getting the colorful diagrams. Yeah, that is okay. But in the Neet and Gutsket exam, you are not going to get the colorful diagrams. So you should always train your mind that if it is in the black and white, then how it will appear. Okay, how does it look? So just visualize it. And if you couldn't do that, just you can have a teamwork. Some of the students can like a 4 or 5 students can make a group, and they will just scan the diagrams of a unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, and all the 5 students can just interchange those diagrams notes with each other. Okay, or they can go for a soft copy or a hard copy, and then after you can make the labeling practice. Okay, does it make sense to you? If you will go through it, your diagram will be very nicely done. If you are believing this, please write down DL, that is diagram and labeling. Please write down D for diagram and L for labeling. If you are believing that, yes, this is really a very good tip. Okay, yeah. So like that, because in the colorful diagram, you will get to know the accuracy and sharpness of the diagram is very good. but it might be happen whenever the papers are going for a printing, their accuracy, their resolution or sharpness may get altered. Okay, so just be in this way and just do this way. Okay, if it is a group of 5 students, for 11th and 12th, they have to go for a two units, that's it. But that's how they are working for 2 units, but they are getting benefit of the 10 units. Okay, so thank you so much, Ritu, Damya, Dia Ahir, Meera Patel, for answering my question. And you believe that this is the best way to go for the diagram and labeling. Thank you so much. Okay, I will go into much more detail of these things. Okay, but I'm just sharing with you that then exampler. In exampler, go for the assertion and reason questions. Okay, and how to solve those, I will just let you know. MCQs of different types are there, and just try to get that why they are making this MCQ. What is the concept behind it, and on which concept they want to focus. Okay, yeah, and just match the column as well as the diagram based questions. And in reference book, don't go for too much detail of the theories, but yeah, you can go for the previous year questions. By this, going through the previous year questions, you will be able to read the psychology of the examiner. Okay, so it's very important to read the psychology of the examiner. Okay, and as a result of that, you will also get to know when you are studying, when you are doing your biology preparation, you will get to know, okay, this is the way, from here the question can be made, from here question can be made. So that will make you very accurate, as well as very enthusiastic to make the biology preparation. Yeah, okay. Then there are some miscellaneous questions are also there, just go through it. Okay, now, so I'm just telling you that how to do this diagram practice and everything. Okay, yeah. So here I'm presenting one diagram, and I would ask the students to label A, B, C, D, and I am giving you 10 seconds to answer me. Okay, yeah, here this is whose diagram. Okay, let me tell you, this is bacteriophage diagram. Okay, what is bacteriophage? It is a virus which is infecting bacteria. Okay, then what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D? And here I am counting 15 seconds. Yeah, and within this 15 seconds, you have to write down your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I got one answer from Vaishvi Choksi. That is A is head, B is neck. No, no. Okay. Then let me check another over here. Heath. Heath had given is from a Gujarati medium, and he had given A is Shirsh. Okay, that is head. Then B is no. B is see here the some people are making the mistake. Okay, so let me tell you. A is head. B is known as a sheath. Okay, B is sheath. C is collar, and D is known as a tail fibers. Okay, again, A is what? A is head. Then B is a sheath. So this is sheath. Then C is collar, and D is tail fibers. So there are so many people over here, and there are so many students who had already passed out their 11th, but then also they are not able to answer me. Why? Because it's our tendency, the students' tendency is that whatever is coming into the theory, they know about it, but anything which is not coming in the theory, they are not sure about it. Say, for example, A is a head, okay. Then C is a collar. Then B is a sheath. So, and D is a tail fiber. So, some of the labelings are not contributing in the theory, but just highlight those labelings which are not coming in the theory. So you have to be very conscious about that, and you have to give your much more attention to such a kind of a diagrams labelings. Okay, yeah. So I had just said it. So Rudra is saying A is head, C is collar, D is tail. No, D is a tail fiber, and very few people can answer B, that is known as a shit. Okay, yeah, but that's good. I really appreciate you all people for having your dedication and giving your involvement. Okay, I really appreciate that. Are you ready for the next question, which is also figure based? If you are ready, please write down R for ready, so that I can represent the another one. Okay, and I will again give you a 15 seconds so you can give me the exit answer. Yeah, so let it be very interactive one, and show me your energy and your knowledge. Whatever you know, just please let me know. Okay, based on that only I will be able to get to know that how to give you the bonus, whether you are really helpful, it will be helpful for you to give me a bonus or not. So okay, so the next question is coming over here, and that is this one. So what is the question? It's the question is about, of course, this is biogas plant. Okay, then what will be in the yellow and what will be in the red? So consider that this is A and this is B. Yeah, consider this is A and this is B. Then what is A and what is B? What will be A and what will be B? Okay, so I'm counting 10 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last is a 10. Okay, so let me see. So many answers are there. Yes, and the right answer, Raju Thakur had given me gas and gas holder. Okay, so A is a gas and B is a gas holder. Even the Damya Shukla had also given me the right answer. Okay, then after, yes, even the Khanjan had also given me right answer. Very good. Vishwa had given me, he had given me about the B is a gas holder. And Raviraj, yes, perfectly answer me. And thank you so much for your involvement. I really appreciate. See, whether your answer is right or wrong, that doesn't matter. But your involvement is showing that yes, you are present over here physically as well as mentally. Okay. So, you have to focus on this figure-based question. Okay. Like this kind of a things are not given in the theory, but this diagrams I have taken from the textbook only. Okay, so be conscious about that, be very 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 sincere about that, and just write down that in your personal notes also. Okay, yeah. Now you have to study the pie charts also. Okay, what do you mean by pie chart? This is a pie chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart which is giving you idea about the global diversity. Okay, and in the global diversity, this is given on page number 260 on your 12th grade book. But let me have an answer or what is present over here. What should be present over here in this square? Yeah. So I'm just counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last goes 10. Okay, I got the 7 answers over here. And yes, Rudrasha, Khanjan, then Vishwa, then Raviraj, Heath, Ritu, all are perfectly fine and they are absolutely correct. So here should be the answer birds. So birds should be written over here in Gujarati medium. It is written as a vihag. Okay, so very good, all students. Okay, so you are just showing that your preparation is quite good. Okay, just you have to take care about some points. Okay, and then you will be definitely score very good marks in your Gujket as well as Neet. Okay, can you give me answer over here? What should be present over here? Yeah, I am just counting for 10. What is this? So, this is about the contribution of various gases in the global warming. Contribution of different gases in global warming. So, which one is the greenhouse gas over here? Okay, just think about it. What is this? Okay, let me give you 10 counts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and the last goes 10. Very good. So many students had answered me. Okay. So here I got the answer from the Rajvi, Heath, Rudra. Very good. Very good. And Rudra is there. Then after Vishwa, Ritu, Kanjan. Very good. And Raviraj had even written the Prarthna had also given the answer. Diya had given answer. Yeah, so very good. And everybody's answer is perfectly fine, and that is known as a carbon dioxide. Okay, so this one is a carbon dioxide should be written over here, and its contribution is more than 50%, so which is exactly 60%. Okay, so you have to study the pie charts and just keep the labelings in your mind. Okay, yeah. Then after flow chart. So this is what the flow chart and what should be present at A and B. Yeah, so this is I'm just telling you this is given as a biological magnification. Okay, so that is known as the biomagnification in the 12th grade on page number 276 it is given. So I'm just giving you idea that I have taken this from the textbook only. Nothing is out of the textbook. Okay, now tell me what will be A and what will be B. What will be A and what will be B? Okay, let me give you the 10 counts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Okay, so there are so many students who are always asking me that, sir, you are not giving us options, na? That's why we are not able to answer you. But I am telling you that whoever is giving you option, na, that those people are also your teachers, and they have at least experience of your age, so they know how to trap you or how to make you confused in the options. Okay, yeah. So please prepare it without option also. Okay. Yeah. So perfectly fine. A is water and B is a large fish. So Himanshi is perfect. Himanshi is perfect. Then after Rajvi is perfect. Then Damya, very good. Kanjan Hada, very good. Then after Heath, perfect. Raviraj, perfect. Rudra, perfect. Very good. Very good. So, A is known as water and B is known as a large fish. And if I ask the amount of a DDT over there, then the DDT in the water is 0.003 parts per billion, B for billion. And the amount of the solar large fish DDT will be 2 parts per million. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's go further. Just a minute, huh? Because I got some thing was coming in that, so that I have to move out of it. Yeah. So okay, so we were over here, flight chart. Okay, flow chart. Okay, yeah. So uh, as you can see over here, that A and B, A was a water and B was a large fish. Okay, just a minute. I hope you are able to see this. Yes. Let me remove any other things are going on. Yeah. So I'm here only, And what I have done is that I had just removed the background was having something else also. So, that was disturbing us. Okay. So flowchart is perfect. And this is another flowchart. Okay. So can you tell me that what should be present over here for A and B? Okay. Let me use another color. What is A and what is B? See, this is somewhat modified flowchart. Huh? This is the flowchart which is somewhat modified. It is not exactly given as per the textbook. But yeah, it is conveying you the concept, and it is giving you the hint that we are talking about what. Okay. So, yes, here the counting goes: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, and 10. Very good. I think that my English is very simple. Even the Gujarati medium people can also understand it. Okay. But if you have any question, you can ask in the comments only. Okay. So I will definitely translate it whenever you are not able to understand anything. So very good. A is known as what? Hmm. So A is known as a fructose 6 phosphate and B is known as a phosphoglyceraldehyde. Very good. So here the goes on. So Rudra, fine, perfect. Heath, perfect. Then after Ritu, perfect. Ritu, fructose 6 phosphate, and the B is not DHAP because DHAP is already given over here. Yeah. So B is known as a PGAL. That is known as a phosphoglyceraldehyde. Okay, Prarthana had answered me. Then Vishwa had also answered me. Perfect, perfect. So it is known as B is a phosphoglyceraldehyde and A is known as a fructose 6 phosphate. So these are the ways how the different ways to ask the question. Okay, yeah. So let's go further. And sometimes you will be asked some previous year MCQs also. Okay, so previous year questions, see, there are people who are telling me that, sir, the same questions will be repeated. I don't think so, and you should not also expect that all such a kind of a questions will be repeated as it is. But yeah, they may modify the same. Either they will do something in all the four options. Okay, so they will just give some new option, or they will take the right answer and make a question from it. Okay, so there are so many ways to work on the same MCQ. Okay, and I'm giving you uh, the things, like here you can see what is column 1 and 2. Can you see which option shows the correctly matched pairs of column 1 and 2? Yeah. So please answer this. Which one is the right answer for this? Which option is the perfect for this? I'm talking about this much portion only. Yeah. I'm talking about column 1 and column 2. Don't look on the others. Honey? It's human psychology. Whenever you say don't look, they will definitely look. So let me hide it. Okay. Okay. So here you can see which option shows correctly matched pairs of column 1 and column 2. Yeah. Start giving me answers. A, B, C, D. Which one is the right answer? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Okay. So there are so many people who had answered me. Okay. Let me see those. Everybody is saying D, 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 D. Okay. There are some who are saying A also. There are so many who are saying D also. Mhm. Okay. So what will happen? What I believe is that 1C, 1, 6 to 14 days, known as proliferative phase. Perfect. 2, 1 to 5 days, that's the menstruation phase. Perfect. And 3, 15 to 28 days, that is what endometrium is prepared for implantation. Perfect. So D is the right answer. Then what is wrong in A? So there are people who have written A also. So 1C is perfect. 3D is perfect. 2B is a wrong one. So 2 is not B. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me go further now. So I hope you people are just enjoying this process. Okay. And enjoy your studies also in a such a way. Okay. So here we have another question. Okay. And the question is, which of the following bacteria is which of the following bacteria is a free living aerobic non-photosynthetic nitrogen fixing bacterium? So you have to find out the name which is really non-photosynthetic, okay, and free living one, and nitrogen fixing. So there in the textbook there are such a two bacteria name is written. Without option, can I get any idea about this? Anybody is having? Very good, Aryan Shah. He had written rhizobium, but rhizobium is a symbiotic one, so that's wrong. Okay, so anyone else? Please go through this. Please write down your answers, and then only I will show you. Some options are also there. I am having my options ready. Okay, so let me help you by showing you the options also. Okay, so yeah, rhizobium is also nitrogen fixing bacteria, but it is symbiotic. It is not free living. Here it is being asked what is free living. So rhizobium, azotobacter, anabina, mycorrhiza. Who is that? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I got very good answers. Okay, most of the people are giving me right answer. Okay, so Vishwa had written rhodospirillum. Rhodospirillum is given in the it's not given in the okay, yeah. Then Heath had written very good. Here written Azotobacter. Okay. Raviraj had written Azotobacter. Ritu had written Azotobacter. Then Khanjan had written Azospirillum. Okay. Ritu had written Azospirillum. Okay. And then Damya, Heath, Kangna, everybody had written B for Bombay. Okay. So my question is that okay, if I'm going for Azotobacter, that is right. Okay. But if I want to get any other name, which is it's given on the page number 188 in the grade 12. Okay. So any other, what will be the name Azotobacter as well as Azospirillum? Both are the right answers. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm talking about the bacterium. Damya. So you have written the no stock. No stock is not a bacterium. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's go further now. Cheese and traditional drink toddy are products of which processes? This is very easy. Yeah, this is very easy. A, distillation, B, pasteurization, C, fermentation, and D is a dehydration. Over this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just go through it. Please answer in the comments only. Okay, so there are so many people who have written uh, perfect answer is a C, and that is known as a fermentation. Okay, from where it is being asked, I'm giving you a page number also so that you can prepare yourself for it. Okay, the page number given is 180 181. So 181, and over there is a topic which is named as microbes in the household products. So fermentation is the right answer. Okay, fermentation is the right answer. Okay, Now, let me ask you, how many of you are enjoying the lecture? If you are enjoying, please write down enjoying. Please write down in your chat box enjoying. If you are really enjoying, please write down enjoying. Hmm. Okay, please write down enjoying if you are really enjoying this. Okay, so many people had answered this that okay, they are enjoying. Thank you so much for enjoying this. Okay, and just be interactive and keep giving me your answer so that you will be definitely um enjoying this process. Yeah, it's my guarantee. Okay, so now I want the tables which should have a special approach. Why I am telling like this? There are so many tables who have such a kind of information. Those informations are not given in the theory. Okay, let me give you such one or two examples. Okay, so one example I am taking from the Gujarati medium because there are so many students who are from Gujarati medium. Otherwise, उनको लगेगा कि हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं है. पूरा इंग्लिश में ही था. Okay, so if I will speak pure Gujarati, then there are some who are non-Gujarati people will be not able to understand this. Okay, and English medium people may not get the Gujarati understanding. Okay, so here this is the table which is given on page number 33 of 11th grade. That is the divisions of the algae and their main characteristics. In this table, one thing which is not given in the theory, and that is about this. Hey, what is this? Kashani Sankhya and Praveshni Sthiti. In English, it is known as a flagellar number and position of insertion. Position of insertion of that flagella. Okay. Yep. So the number of the flagella is a 2 to 8. They are equal and they are apical, unequal, lateral, and absent. So, this particular thing, the table is already given, but the tables, one thing is not given, and that is what, so, it's not used in the theory. As it is not used in the theory, okay, that is why there are so many people who are not giving focus on such a things. So, you have to focus on such a kind of a thing. You should highlight this. Okay. If I would be as like you, a student, then what I will do is that I will use my favorite color, which is purple and pink. Then I will just cover this like this. Okay. So that whenever I'm reading this book, I will go through it and I will make sure that whether I am knowing about this or not. How many of you are agree with me that yes, this is a really a great point? If you believe that it is a great point, please write down GP. Please write down GP. Thank you so much. There are so many people who are believing this is a great point. Okay. So, that's our role. Nah? We have to bring the attention to those points when you are not giving your attention. And that's the role of a guide and teacher. Yeah. And it's my pleasure to have such a role. Yeah. Okay. So, this is one. Another one is what? So, another one is this one. Uh, this is the table, which is table 9.5. And it's about the glute. Anybody know what you mean by glute? What is the full form of a glute? Enables glucose transport into the cell. Okay. And but what is glute? Anybody is having any idea about the glute? Please write down in the text in the chat box. If you have any idea, please write it down. Okay. So I'm just waiting. Uh, Very good. Heath had written glucose transformer. It is not transformer, but it is glucose transporter. So basically, GLUT full form is glucose transporter. So it is a glucose transporter. So what is this? These are the different types of a protein. Okay, from where I have taken this. Yeah, this is from chapter number 9, which is known as biomolecules, grade 11, page number 147. Table you can see 9.5. And what is the name of the table? Some proteins and their functions. So here it is written GLUT4. What is meaning of a GLUT4? The meaning of a GLUT4 is that it is a glucose transporter and it is a facilitative transport protein. So this is a carrier molecule, or it is acting as a વાહક અણુ. તો આ વાહક અણુની જેમ વર્તે છે. So it is acting as a carrier molecule and which is facilitating transport of the glucose. So you should highlight this also, okay, in a way, so you will be able to read it again and again whenever you are going through such page. Through these pages, even if you are just surfing and you are just moving the page during that also you will go through it. There are some very colorful sticky notes are there. You can also use those sticky notes to write down anything, or you want to uh, instruct yourself that don't forget, or you have any kind of a memory technique you have created, so you can use that. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Okay, and let's move further now. Okay, so this is way how you can use the table. Okay, and please try to do these things and please try to apply this. This will make you 100% very confident as well as a successful person. Okay, yeah, and I'm giving you guarantee for this. If you are following all these instructions, you will be definitely a very good successful student. Okay, now try to understand the psychology of examiner whenever in the, I'm not asking during the exam, but whenever you are practicing the questions, at that time you just try to understand that why, by, for which purpose, to check which concept or to check which particular fundament this question is being asked. So where it is, from where it is being asked in the textbook, page number, chapter number, table, diagram, textbook line. If it is a paragraph, then which paragraph, try to get that answer. When it is being asked, okay, then how it is being asked. Sometimes the sentence formation is also very tricky, okay, which will misguide you. It will look that this is very difficult question to understand, but it's a very easy. But the sentence formation or the way of framing of the question is in a such a way that will misguide you, that will mislead you, and that will trap you. Okay, so just try to understand this. Yeah, there are so many questions which is very easy, answer is very easy, but their framework is a very typical and tricky one. Okay, please find out the notes and please write down such a notes in your personal diary, and what they want to check, what they are asking, what concept they want to point out. So please write, please try to understand this. So by doing this you will be able to understand which kind of a questions can be asked in the NEET exam. Okay, yeah. So that was what, that was secret number one, and now comes secret number two. So that is known as journalism. As I told you, you should have a special diary, okay, for a specific information. Okay, so in that what you will do, so whatever you are reading, okay, just note down those informations, facts and data in your diary. Okay, so that there are so many chapters which you require at last minute revision. Okay, so this diary, there are so many people who are confused. That's the NEET as well as on the Guchket will be on the single day. On a same day, you have to appear for the all the three subjects. Yes or no? If you are agree with me, do you know about that? If you know about that, please write down yes. Please write down yes. There is a single day, and on the single day only you have to appear for the physics, chemistry, and biology all subject exam in the NEET as well as in the Guchket. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So there are people who are telling me yes. Okay. So, it's very difficult to understand that how to prepare it. That's why you should have a such a kind of a personal diary, personal notes for physics, chemistry, and biology. All the subjects, separate diary should be there, and in that you should gather this kind of information. And don't think that it is too much late. It's not late. In Gujarati, there is a very good say, and it is known as a Jagya Tyarthi Sawar. So whenever you get the idea, inspiration, that's a very good idea, inspiring thought, just apply it. There is nothing like too late. Yeah. Okay. So reading information, facts, and data. Second, you just interpret it in your own words. Okay. Sometimes it might be happen that they have written the something is written in the number like billion, then you please consider it that if it is written in a billion, if you want to convert it in the million, then how it will be million. If it is confirmed, it is transformed into the thousand, then how many thousands? How much thousands? Are you getting it? What I am trying to convey? Say, for example, it is about the 6.6 into 10 is to 9 base pairs. So, okay, 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. What do you mean by that? How many billions, how many millions are there? So that is known as interpretation. And the Gujarati and Hindi for the interpretation word is Earth Gatan. So whatever information, facts, and data is given in the textbook, you have to interpret it, modify it in your own way. Yeah. And just and yeah, in the physics also we can do this, in the biology and chemistry also you can do this. Just change the unit. If you are changing the unit, then the number will be also changed. Okay, and then you will write down the conclusion that in millions, m for million, then it will be how much. In billions it will be how much. In the some one unit which is already given in the textbook, then in the textbook it's already given, but you just transform it into the another unit and derive information from that. Okay. Yeah. How many of you feel that this is a really helpful one? Okay. And transform the units. Please write down U for unit. If you believe this could be a very helpful to you, please write down U for unit. Okay. Thank you so much. There are so many people who are thinking that this was really a good one. Okay. What to do just one day before the examination? So, there are certain topics which are much more informative one, and they don't have too many concepts. Okay. Like in the biology, in the ecology of the 12th grade, then mineral nutrition of 11th grade. So, those are the things which you have to keep in your mind, the data. Okay. So go through those kind of a topics. So this is such a kind of a topics has to be go through. Then you should have your personal diary in which you have already written that whatever the MCQs you have made mistakes. Okay, so just go through all those mistaken MCQs. Okay, as well as go through the such a page numbers when you have not able to give the answers. Okay. Yeah. Then there are some informative MCQs. Just go through it whenever you had given you a new information. Okay. Because it might be happen now, we are whenever we are surfing MCQ, most of the things are asking from asked from the CBSE board, but then also we are getting some new information also sometimes. Okay. Yeah. Say for example, glute. What I shown you right now, glute. Now the full form of a glute was not written. So the glute is known as what? The glucose transport carrier molecule. Okay. So, in such a way, that is known as an informative MCQ who had given you new information. So those information you have to write down somewhere. Then after twisted MCQs, which is high order thinking MCQs. Okay. So you should have a notes and prepare from today. Even if you have not prepared such a personalized notes in physics, chemistry, biology, please prepare it. Okay. It will be having a worth. Don't think that it is too much late. Okay. And there is nothing like too much late to do good things. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now you should also create the concept chart. The concept chart, like types of the leaves, is a simple leaf. Then you can see the compound leaf. Then what are the different types of the leaves? Okay. I have just shown you the Gujarati and English both. What will be helpful, why it will be helpful to you? So, types of branching, types of inflorescence, types of flowers, whenever it is about the types of something, you can create such a kind of a concept chart. If you are agree with me that yes, you can create such a kind of a concept chart, please write down CC, concept chart. C for concept and C for chart. So create such a concept chart. Okay. So there are so many people. Please keep going on. So this is I'm just giving you the concept chart and what are the benefits of concept chart. So super tremendous benefits are there. And I'm just telling you one by one all the benefit. One benefit is that a speedy reading will be there. So speedily you can revise those topics. That is one of the thing. Other thing, effective revision will take place. This is effective revision. And the third, even the accuracy is also very good. It's not that you are doing a speedily revision, then your accuracy is not good. Even you will be having a better connectivity also with the topic. Okay. And you will enjoy that topic if you have created such a concept chart by yourself. Okay. So please make it by yourself. Okay, so now what to do, what not to do during the exam. Okay, that's about secret number three. If you are ready to go for secret number three, please write down S3. Please write down in the chat box S3. So that I will get to know now that how many people are really working, how many of you are really listening. Okay, are you only physically present or you are psychologically also present? Please write down S3. Secret three. Yeah, go on. Yeah. So do's and don'ts in the exam. Okay. So I'm just showing you do's and don'ts in the exam. Okay. Uh, so this is a very crucial one for so many students. This is a very, very important one. Okay. So reading of MCQ. When you are reading MCQ, do's read carefully. Okay. Don't read in too much hurry and be neutral. There are so many students who are very much overconfident and they believe that this is the only question which is being asked. So it's not about what you believe, it's about what is being asked to you. It's not about what you believe, it is about what you are being asked. That is main. Okay. Yeah. So there are so many students who are making a very uh, they are very much overconfident, over speedy. Okay. So they are reading in very speed and that's why they interpret in another way. And then after, even if they are knowing about that answer, then also they will be not able to give right answer. Okay. Yeah. For a long question, read it in different phrases. Don't read it continuously. Just read it one phrase, then after go and come to its conclusion. Okay. Then read another phrase, come to its conclusion. Then read the third phrase and then come to its conclusion. So this is the way how you can make all the phrases together and then you can understand. Okay. Yep. In case of A and R MCQs, read assertion and reason separately. Don't read the whole question. Okay, for A and R, I will give you some three or more than three steps I will show you. Okay, and that will make you 100% confident about this assertion and reason kind of a questions. Okay, but don't read the A and R together. Okay, so this is the do's. That is a diagram based questions. Visualize all labels where they are, which are on the right side, what are on the left side, what was on the top, what was on the bottom. Okay, what was the labeling order in the clockwise way or anti-clockwise way, and on which side the labeling was being done, whether it is on the right hand side or left hand. So don't expect four color diagram. This is very crucial, huh? Because when you are doing exercise and in your textbook on the like I'm also having my digital platform. Whenever you're doing giving your answers on the digital platform, at that time you may get the four color diagrams. But if it is pen and paper mode examination, if it is pen and paper mode examination, then you will be having a black and white diagram. So try to visualize all diagram black and white. Okay, how do they will look? So visualize them. Okay, so don't expect and don't create your mind in the four color diagrams only. Okay, try to give the exercise to your mind to read the diagrams, to judge about the labelings, even in the two color, that is known as a black and white diagrams. Because still today also the Neet and Gujket, as per my information, it is like a pen and paper mode only. Yeah, in future it could be online, then it could be the four color diagrams can be given. Okay, so this is about the reading of MCQ. Another one is the filling of OMR sheet. So when I started, I already told you always go for filling the circles from outer side to inner side. Don't go from inner side to outer side, because first of all you can make the labeling very clearly on the circle, and then you go from outside to the center. Okay, and please take care, don't fade it. Okay, so and before circling, what you should do is that to match the question number and answer number, please match it. There are so many people who are reading question number something and they are circling in another answer number, and these kind of mistakes are silly mistakes, but could be happen under the pressure of examination. So when you are in the examination hall, it could happen. Okay, there are so many people who are just depressed because of their checking. So they will check you in all the ways. They may check your specs, they may check your hand hairs, they may check your pins and everything. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. That is, they are just performing their duty. Okay, don't bother about it. Yeah, there are so many people, so just be very calm and have a neutral mindset. You should not be overconfident, you should not be depressed. Okay, yeah, just have your neutral mindset. Okay, yeah, so don't circle in a wrong way. Okay, so and again, when you are circling it na, just double check question number and answer number. Along with that, filling a circle from outer side to inner side, that's what, don't fade the ink. Okay, before filling, check your answer. Sometimes what happens, the number is the same to same. Suppose I am circling in the 48 question number, answer number is also 48, but I visualize that the right answer is a B and I'm circling in the C. So that could also happen. Okay, so when you are circling, you should be very, 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 very concentrated on that. Okay, just focus on that. Okay, and whenever I'm saying now that you should be focused on that, so it comes to my always one image comes to my mind, and that is known as a horse blinder. Hey, do you know what you mean by the horse blinder? Whenever the horse is going for a horse cart, no? So what will happen, the horse cart, the horse is having a horse blinder. So it's like this. So that's why a horse cannot see anywhere. It cannot see left, it cannot see right, because that's the blinders. Okay, so when you are in the Neet exam, be just like a horse and assume that you have a horse blinders. Okay, so over there only you and your answer paper is there, nobody else. Okay, yeah, so this is how you can avoid the mistakes, I mean silly mistakes. Okay, and before filling, check your answer, and after filling, don't carry the load of that question, that I had answered this, whether it will be right or wrong. But once you circle now, you have no right to change it. Okay, so just forget it, as it is not being asked to you. Okay, yeah. So how many of you feel that this was helpful? Please write down H for helpful. Please write down H for helpful. Okay, so now I'm just showing you how to go for the A and R. So assertion and reasons MCQs. Okay, so step one, number one is that never read the whole question. Never read the whole question. Okay, because once you read the whole question, na, You will be confused. And you already know that in A and R type of a questions, what will be the what will be the options. Okay. So just check on based on that only. Read only assertion first of all. Okay. To check the assertion, read it and just try to find it out whether it is true or false. How you can get to know whether it is true or false? For that, what you have to do is that you have to double check in a way. So you have to check it as per the textbook information. As per the textbook information, it is perfect or not. So just check it textbook wise. Okay. If such a assertion is not given in a textbook, then just try to check it out logically. That logically, conceptually, this is right or wrong. Okay. But please maintain this order. Huh? Okay. Maintain this order. If it is given in the textbook, even if it is conceptually wrong, logically wrong as per your um, assumption, don't dare. Huh? Whatever is given in the textbook, that is right. Okay. Yeah. So if it is not given in the textbook, then only check it in a logical way. Otherwise, just go through it as per the textbook. Even you should check it as per the textbook. If it is perfectly fine, then you should check the reason also just like that. Okay. Check the reason whether it is true or false. So first of all, textbook wise, it is true or not, and logically it is true or not. Okay. So if a textbook wise it is right, if it is given, you can get the judgment textbook from the textbook sentence. No need to think about logically. Okay. Okay. So don't read the whole question. That is step number one. Yeah. The second step is check only the assertion true or false. How you will check it? Textbook wise and logically. Then third one is check the reason whether it is true or false. And the third is if both are correct, then read both by putting the conjunctions like so and because and read it continuously. And if you feel it that yes, it is perfect, then the reason and assertion both are okay, and the reason is also true for a particular assertion. Okay. Yeah. So these are the ways, and this will be very helpful to you for the assertion and reason kind of a questions. Okay. Now secret number 4, that is what never give up attitude. Now, this is a very, very important how to self motivate yourself. Now, it will take just only 5 minutes, and it's a time for the bonus also. I'm going to share with you the bonus also. Okay. Just 5 minutes. Stay with me. Okay. Yeah. So, this secret number 4, never give up attitude. How you can motivate yourself. You can have such a very good songs. Okay. And so, it happens to me when I was doing my BSc, MSc, during that what I used to do whenever I feel that now my mind is saturated and nothing is going inside, then what I used to do, I used to play very inspirative songs. Okay. Like there are so many movie songs whose lyrics will give you inspiration. Okay. Like I'm talking and I'm singing about some old songs. Zindagi ki yahi reet hai, हार के बाद ही जीत है. And there are so many such inspirative songs. So it is your duty to make yourself always motivated. Okay. Share with me such a kind of your favorite song, whether it is Hindi, Gujarati, English, whatever it is. Just share with me in the chat box how you will keep self motivating yourself, because that is our duty to motivate ourselves. Okay. And we have to maintain never give up attitude. Even right now also, if I am looking over here, there are so many people who are keep coming in the webinar and going out of the webinar. But then also, I'm having a never give up attitude. And that's why it doesn't make any difference on my psychology that the people are going and coming back. It's okay, it will happen. So they will do whatever they want to do, and I will do whatever I want to do. So please share with me your favorite songs which will give you inspiration. Okay, Aryan Shah is saying all is well. All is well. Okay, that's super. Anyone else? Please keep sharing with me. That Sanju movie song is also very good, na? I just forgot. Zinda. Yes, Kanjan, this is also a very good one. Yeah. from Bag Mika Bag. Yes. Then, Sanju's song, I just forgot. Some of the students say that they are listening to this song. Anyone, please help me. Which was that Sanju movie song? Hello. Anyone? I'm just going for a five count. Kar har मैदान fateh. Yes. Then after, yes, even Dr. Cure, but he's also just like me. And he's saying, Ye Laksh hai mera. And even Laksh title song is also very good, which was of uh, Hrithik Roshan movie. Then Kar Har Maidan Fateh. So, what I believe is that even if when you are just moving away from your study table, na, then also psychology, you should be present in your studies, and you have to keep thinking that, okay, what I will do next. So that is what secret number 4, never give up attitude. And if you are promising me that you will always work with the never give up attitude throughout your life, please write down NGA. Please promise me NGA, never give up attitude. Please write down NGA. Wow, there are so many people. Yes, I'm really salute you and really appreciate your energy. Super. Okay, so that's the secret number 4. Wow. Okay. So and after all, I believe in this. कर्म कर, फल की चिंता मत कर, तेरा कर्म व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा, और बिना कुछ कर्म किए तू कुछ नहीं पाएगा. So, keep this. I have done my BSc, MSc, B.Ed, M.Ed, MBA, PhD. Every time I'm having negative thoughts just before the day of exam. And everybody is getting negative thoughts just before the day of exam. Even when we are revising, we are thinking that, okay, I will be able to write down this answer I am reading right now, but I will be able to remember that, and I will be able to write down this. Okay, it's happening to everybody. There are some people who are just sharing with you, there are who are not sharing with you, but it is happening to everybody. Okay, and your teacher, your professors are also not the exception, because once upon a time they were also the student. Okay, so during those time, if I want to motivate myself, then I'm keep saying this thing to me. कर्म कर, फल की चिंता मत कर, तेरा कर्म व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा, और बिना कुछ कर्म किए तू कुछ नहीं पाएगा. And the Bhagwan, Lord Krishna is saying this, Karma Yogi. Okay, he is saying this. Then we have to just have a faith in our work and just go through it. Okay, now it's the time for the bonus. How many of you want to listen from me about the bonus? Please write down bonus in the chat box. Please write down bonus in the chat box. Okay, so what is bonus? And these bonus is actually I am giving you, but the whole team of Ganpat University and Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan had inspired me to give you such a bonus. Okay, so the concept I am taking from them. Okay, yeah. Okay, so only a few people are okay with the bonus. Okay, so let me share with you. The bonus is that there is a whole video. There are two bonus. One is there is a whole video how to prepare for the Gujket and Neet. For that, I have just created one couple of videos. Go through my YouTube channel and go through it, because that will take at least 40 minutes. I cannot show each and every point over here. Okay, that is one thing. And second bonus is that from this Saturday, I will be on YouTube live on my YouTube channel, and I will solve the MCQs from Unit 6, Unit 7, Unit 8, Unit 9, Unit 10. So we will solve 20 MCQs, and that will be superb MCQ. Even if you are prepared those units, then also you will be not able to answer it. Such a kind of a tricky question I am going to serve you. Okay, so that is the bonus. If you like the bonus, please write down LB. Please write down LB if you like the bonus. Okay, so and that is free. You have to just subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and that's it, nothing else. It's totally free. Okay, my students and other students will be also able to attend this. Okay, because this is a corona period and we have to help each other in a way. Okay, thank you so much for your response. And for more details, visit my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Dr. Chintan Shah for Biology. Dr. Chintan Shah for Biology. There is no dot over here. Chintan Shah for FOR Biology. Okay, over here for English medium, I have a playlist. I have created a playlist in which, 21 and 16 minutes. So what will be the total of this? Anyone can help me? 47 minutes? 47 to 48 minutes. Success in Neet and Gujket, part 1 and part 2. So this is a playlist I have created. Okay, yeah. And for a Gujarati medium, I have one slot 35 minutes video. Okay, so success in Neet and Gujket. Please go through this. Okay, I repeat again, Dr. Chintan Shah for Biology on this YouTube. I will be YouTube live. Thank you so much for your listening as well as your participation. Okay, this is Dr. Chintan Shah, owner of Explofunda coaching classes. We have 8, 9, 10 ICSE and CBSE board math science subject teaching, and 11, 12 science, all boards need only for biology subject. In Paldi Satellite Naranpura, we have our branches. Again, thank you so much. Over to you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me such a very good opportunity so that I can serve and I can pour my whole heart to the all students. Thank you so much again, the whole team of Ganpat University. Thank
Very
you.
much.
Thank you, Chintan sir, for your wonderful lecture. And I'm sure definitely our participants will be benefited. You have given so many tips on how to appear in the competitive exams. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I think there's a no question because your session is very interactive, sir. And you all are had enjoyed your session, sir.
Chat box is full completely. Huh?
Yes,
It's
very
really
interactive, sir.
interactive session. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Hope
you so much.
hope the student could get the good marks in the good side and Neet. Also, your channel will share with the student your YouTube channel, so they can get the probably what are the tips and tricks for success in Neet and the good side, sir.
Yeah, and I'm really thankful to the whole team because I just got the concept in my mind that let me do something, whatever I can do from my side. Thank you.
Student, we have with us Poonam. Yes, Poonam, you can share your feedback link.
Yes, sir. Dear students, stay connected. We'll be sharing you feedback link in the chat box. Please go through it and fill it.
Yes, I want to thank sir. At the outset, I would like to offer my deep regard and appreciation to our President and Patron Chief, Padma Shri Dr. Ganpat Bhai Patel, to whom we call Dada. So, my deep appreciation to Ganpat Dada. I offer my sincere gratitude to Honorable Dr. Sharma Sir, Pro Chancellor and Director General Ganpat University. Respected Amit Patel Sir, Pro Chancellor and Executive Dean Ganpat University, for their constant motivation and support in all our endeavors. I would like to thank our eminent speakers, Mr. Shailesh Modi sir for chemistry, Pranav Dave sir for physics, Vijay Vora sir, mathematics, and lastly Dr. Chintan Shah sir for biology. Sir, for taking wonderful session, I like to, and your knowledge sharing lecture are wonderful. Finally, and we would like to thank and congratulate our the principal sir, Dr. Amit Parikh sir, Dean Faculty of Sciences, Principal Mehsana Urban Institute of Sciences. Sir, without your support and encouragement, this event would not be happen. I would like to thank our anchor team, Ms. Poonam Bestow, and technician team Deepak Bhai, Nihal, and Jaimin for your support. Last but not least, I would like to thank and congratulate the stakeholders of webinar series, the student who were wonderful audience, always participate in every session and very interactive with the experts. Thank you for participating in large number with same enthusiasm till the last session. Thank you all on behalf of Ganpat University Parivar. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Gilbert. And now, do we have to give some instruction related to mock test?
Yes. Hardik sir.
Yes, sir. I'm live. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So basically, we are having arrangement of mock test for 3 days, 17, 18, and 19th of June. तो आज टेस्ट है mock test.